Hi, I'm Charlotte Tilbury and I'm going to show you how to get the ingenue look. It's a really pretty, fresh, youthful, everyday makeup. It's all about a rosy, youthful blush on the cheeks, gorgeous coral pink lips and big Bambi eyes. It's perfect for girls that are inspired by icons of the past such as Mia Farrow or icons of today such as Kate Bosworth or Alexa Chung. It's a really pretty, fresh, gorgeous look and I know you're going to love it. I'm now going to start by prepping the skin with my Miracle Working Magic Cream, and I'm just working that into the skin with literally angel wings across the cheekbones, and it really is amazing, this cream. It has biotin peptide in it and hyaluronic acid and vitamins A, C and E and rose oil. And it just gets the skin looking really plump and dewy and youthful. Next, I'm going to prep the lips by using my revolutionary youth boosting lip system. And I'm going to start on by putting on a little bit of Lip Love. And Lip Love is fantastic because it's got shea butter, almond oil, and it's also got these wonderful sugar crystals in it, which just slough off all the kind of dead skin. I'm now going to pop on a little bit of my Lip Magic, and this really is a breakthrough balm. And what's amazing about it is it's not only got propolis, which sits in the hives of bees, and it's also got hyaluronic acid in it, which again just kind of floods the lips full of water. Okay, I'm now going to pop on my Wonder Glow, and Wonder Glow again is another bit of a skin miracle worker because it has this properties in it called fluorescent core, which literally soft focuses all your lines and pores and gives you this amazing glow to the skin. Another one of my wonders for the skin is Light Wonder Foundation, and what's so fabulous about this is that it's so light, but it gives you amazing coverage at the same time, that literally you don't feel like you're wearing foundation. And I'm just popping it on down the center of the face with my foundation brush. And then I'm going to work that into the skin, and this has a natural alternative to retinol in it. So again, it plumps the skin full of water, it's completely weightless on your skin. Once you've blended in the foundation with your foundation brush, you can just go over it with a little pitter-patter. Next I'm going to apply my retoucher in number 2, and I'm just going to use that around the nose, underneath the eyes, and anywhere that just needs a little bit of extra coverage. What's wonderful about the retoucher is that really it's got this amazing formula which is called a lipidic complex inside it. So it sort of acts like a bit of a kind of plaster. It just rolls over any kind of patchiness in your skin and just really smooths it out. I'm now going to apply my Airbrush Flawless Finish powder with my powder and sculpt brush by starting down the center of the face. So we always go down the T-zone and around the nostrils, because normally, even if people have combination skin, they're always a little bit oily down the center of the face. And what's really, truly wonderful about this powder, I think it's really the best powder in the world, because it has the most finely milled particles and makes your skin look smoother. I'm going to brush up the brows to reveal the shape, and then I'm going to take the brow pencil, which has this beautiful angled flat tip, which has been specially designed so that it really makes it super easy for you to be able to mimic the shape of the hairs when applying this brow pencil. So really you can fill in your brows, any gaps, make them look thicker and more beautiful in a very easy format. And now I'm going to open up my 3-way shape, lift and shade tool, and I'm going to use the middle bit, which is this really beautiful colour that suits everyone, goldy highlighter, and I'm just going to pop that underneath the arch of the brow. I'm now going to take my rose gold life-changing eyelash curlers, go as close as you possibly can to the lash line, clamp, and then bend backwards to really get maximum lift. I'm now going to use my Colour Chameleon eye pencils, and what's truly fantastic about these eye pencils is you just scribble them on your eyes and then blend them in with a finger. I mean, it's so easy, even my 4-year-old son could do it. So if you don't know how to do a smoky eye, or you want to create a little bit of sparkle to your eye, then these are the perfect thing for you. And then you can pop the little in the inner corner of the eyes, and that just gives you that really beautiful wide-eyed sparkly look. And next I'm going to use the classic eye pencil, which is a eye powder pencil, because it doesn't have the waxiness of an eyeliner, so you just get a little bit of intensity, but in a very soft, natural way. And I'm going to start by using it at the corner of the eyes and really getting it really tightly in next to the lash line, so as intensely as you possibly can, and then going 3/4 of the way along, and then literally taking your pencil and angling it up to give yourself a sort of natural little sweep upwards towards the outer corner. I'm now going to apply my full fat lashes mascara, which curls, separates, adds volume, length and drama all in one. It's got this brilliant 5-star laser cut brush that literally coats all the eyelashes, gets right into the root, and it sort of gives you a little kind of push up effect to the lashes, and it just coats them and gives them a really beautiful flutter. I'm now going to do the bottom lashes. I'm going to get my mascara wand and hold it vertically, because this brush has been specially tapered to coat each individual underlash. I'm now going to use my Resize and Reshape lip liner in Pink Venus. And what's fabulous about this lip liner is that it acts like a kind of stencil when applying lipstick. So you use the lip liner first and go along the outer edge of the lips. I like to slightly go along the outer edge so you can literally just give yourself a perfect pout and sort of add a little bit of volume to it. I'm now going to take my Coachella Coral lipstick and using my squared off precision lip brush. What's great about the squared off tip is that it just gives you real precision when applying lipstick. I'm now going to apply my Cheek to Chic blusher in Love Glow. And using my blusher brush, I'm going to swish around the outer corner and then pop in the middle, and then I'm going to repeat that on the cheeks. So swish and then pop. And a great way to find out where you need to put blusher is to look in the mirror and smile. The Ingenue, the pretty Bambi-eyed fresh look. Now I'm going to dial up the Ingenue look from daytime to nighttime, and I'm actually just going to pop on as a final touch a little bit of my Portobello Girl Lip Lacquer Lip Gloss onto the lips. And when I was creating this look, I was thinking about those gorgeous, fresh, pretty Ingenue girls popping down the Portobello Road market on Fridays and Saturdays. It's looking heavenly. And now we're just going to pop a little bit more of the colour Chameleon in Champagne Diamonds, and you could just scribble a little bit more of that onto the eyelid for a little bit more glamour and shimmer. But again, it's still very fresh and ingenue and light and beautiful. And you can go as strong or as dreamy as you want to be. And now I'm going to pop a little bit of an extra layer of eyeliner, and you can just really go over and make that as intense as you want it to be. And then go over it with lashings of mascara, and that can just give you more of a wide-eyed Bambi look. Even though you'll make it more glamorous for the evening, you still keep a little bit of that ingenue innocence. And as a final touch, you can put a little bit more of a dusting of blush on if you're feeling you need it. As a lovely alternative, you can also use my Matte Revolution lipstick in Lost Cherry. It's a really pretty, matte, gorgeous pink colour, and it's heavenly on the lips as well. And I'm literally going to take the bullet, which has been beautifully designed to mimic the shape of your lips when putting on lipstick with a lip brush. So in fact, you can just pop it on straight from the bullet, and it really is so pretty. So there you have it, the ingenue look, a really soft, pretty, fresh-faced look that literally suits everyone.